You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. And there are different ways of pronouncing it. So originally it comes from French, okay? French pronunciation is Pierrot. This is because it's from French that you have a silent T. The double R doesn't do anything different. It's just French being complicated. Pierrot, okay? French pronunciation doesn't accentuate on or stress on any particular syllable. This is why in English you have two different interpretations of the French pronunciation. Either Pierrot, with a stress more on the first syllable or the E syllable, Pierrot. Some pronounce it also as Pierrot. No, those two pronunciations are correct. None of them is more correct because in French, again, the two syllables are of equal weight. Pierrot. Did you get this? Was it any useful? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe. Give us a like. Appreciate it. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.